In this video, we will discuss about some basics of arithmetic progression of class 10. Now, we will discuss the definition of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is an AP with a common difference 2. Now, if we are given any AP, that if we need to determine that it is an AP or not, that common difference, that is the difference between the consecutive terms, should be same. In the given AP, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, if we subtract second term from the first term, that is 4 minus 2, we get the common difference 2. 8, 6 minus 4, that is 2. 8 minus 6, that is 2. And 10 minus 8 is 2. So the given AP, given series is an AP with common difference 2. Okay. Now moving on to the formulas. Formula to determine nth term of an AP. Now if we want to determine the nth term of an AP, we will use the given formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If we are provided with an AP with first term with common difference, with any common difference, then the given terms, we will first see the terms, that is an is last term, a is first term, n is number of terms, and d is common difference. So in the given AP, we will first find first term, then common difference, and then we can determine the nth term of the given AP. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now moving on to formula for sum of nth term of an AP. As sum of n term, Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to determine the sum of nth term of the given AP. If we are provided with an AP with some common difference and first term, we can easily determine the sum of its 10th term, sum of 10 terms, sum of 15 terms, sum of 20 terms easily. Okay. Now the terms here are same as that of the nth term of the AP, that is a is first term, n is number of terms, d is common difference. Now we will study the relation between an and Sn. We know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we will use equation Sn to equate, and we will then get the value of an in the formula of Sn, that is Sn is equal to n by 2, splitting 2a into a plus a and n minus 1 into d. We know a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but an. Therefore the value of Sn will become n by 2 a plus an. Okay. Now an can also be written as last term of the AP, that is L. Therefore Sn will be n by 2 a plus L. Okay. This is the relation between the nth term and the sum of nth term of an AP. Okay. Now the general formula of an AP is a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 up to an. A1 can be also written as a, a2 can be written as a plus d, a3 can be written as a plus 2d, a4 can be written as a plus 3d, a5 can be written as a plus 4d, as it is. Nth term can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a general form of an AP, or general formula of an AP. So I hope you are clear in this video about the basic terms of an AP. So let us summarize it. First, we have seen the definition, then the formula for an, third is formula for Sn, then relation between an and Sn, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an, and general form of an AP, that is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d up to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Thank you.